In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an Amazon order. So first of all, just go to Amazon.com or go to the application if you have it on your phone. Make sure that you're logged in into your accounts, both in the phone or in the PC, whatever you're using. So right here, if we go to our return orders at the top right, we can just go and click on that. And here, as you can see, you will be able to go and select orders. So normally, you should find the orders in the past 3 months. Of course, if you haven't received an order from, I don't know, the first of this year, it's been maybe 6 months or 7 months and you still haven't received it, you can also cancel that as well. So in your orders, basically, you can just go and find or locate the item that you want to cancel. You can click on the item. As you can see at the moment, I don't have any orders, but you can just go and click on the item and you will find the cancel items option. You can select the reason, but it's just optional. Once you do so, you can go and click on cancel checked items and you will see a confirmation message. And also you'll get an email once it is canceled as well. So what can you cancel? You can cancel only the items that are not shipped yet and the pre-orders as well. Any like item that is already shipped or digital items usually are not cancelable, I mean, sorry. And for the already shipped ones, no, you will need to return it instead of cancel it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.